today I checked out 3 Java mods, but I checked out their Bedrock Edition port. All of them are super different from each other, and the first one was the Aether mod. In Bedrock, it's called Aether Legends, and I have not been a fan of this since I first saw it advertised. So let's get right into it and see what my thoughts are. Okay, so here's the world template. It's kind of weird it's a world template, but I mean, whatever, okay. To my knowledge, this is an official port, unlike, there was an attempt at porting it before that wasn't official, and there was a little bit of controversy with that, so... Whoa, why is there a texture pack that changes the overworld? That's weird. Oh, okay, so we can equip different artifacts. Whoa. Okay, so I guess we just make the portal and go through. Makes sense? Right, so... Wait, what? Why have I got actions and stuff turned on? No, I don't. Otherwise, all the mobs would be. What? Why am I so expressive? What is going on? Okay, it doesn't matter. Let's build the portal. The famous portal that disappointed so many childhoods. Okay. Will it work? There it is. Okay, it is actually kind of satisfying to see this in Bedrock Edition. Let's go through. Whoa, cool animation. Okay, so... Whoa! Oh! Whoa! Okay, first thing I'm noticing is a little bit laggy. And I've got a beefy PC, so I'm gonna just wait a second for everything to load in. Okay, no, that hasn't really helped at all. I'll turn down the render distance, but I really shouldn't have to for my PC specs. How's this? I'm still noticing a bit of lag. That is so bizarre. Okay, this does look really cool. Like, yeah, I want to explore all of this. Now, I would say the generation is really good, but I found out that there is no generation. This is a pre-built world. This is handcrafted. I don't know how I feel about that. To my knowledge, Bedrock Edition hasn't officially implemented a way to add custom dimensions yet. But then maybe Bedrock Edition isn't ready to have the Aether in, you know? But it's whatever. There's a structure here. Let's check out this structure. What's that noise? Who is giggling? Crying? Is it you? Who are you? A Valkyrie... Ooh, I think it is them. A Valkyrie Archer, okay. What's the loot like in here? You get keys, corn, grapes, fig, bread, Zanite tools. Oh, it has been a long time since I've played the Aether, but I mean, everything kind of comes back to you, right? With the skyroot logs and the air soil. Have we got the different types of clouds? Oh no, there's only one type of cloud in this add-on. All right, let's go find the edge of the world, because is it really pre-built? That's insane if it is, right? These guys have been added well. I like these guys. I completely forgot the name of them, I'm not gonna lie. But they are really cool. I wonder how many of the boss fights have been ported over. That'd be interesting to see, actually. I'm also going to check when I fall out the world whether I die or go to the overworld. Because it should be go to the overworld. That's what happens in the original mod. Whoa, okay, we have different biomes going on. That's nice. The sheep! Oh my god, I've not seen one of these guys yet. Oh, look at these! Whoa! Yeah, I loved these guys in the mod. What is this? Was this? I don't recall these. Whoa! That's awesome! Okay, come on, stay focused. I'm trying to find the edge of the world. I think we're coming up on it. All I'm seeing ahead of us now are clouds. And yeah, look. It's the last cloud here. That's it. That's the whole of the Aether behind me. And if I head out far enough, then it's just going to be gone. Okay, let's see. If I fall, will I die or end up in the overworld? I end up in the overworld. Okay, so they've got that aspect down. That's pretty nice. Let me get back. Hang on. I like this animation to travel there. Oh, okay. The portals actually do spawn in dynamically. I thought there was just one pre-built portal at the center of the world, but no, they actually do dynamically spawn in. The clouds work the same way. Oh. You fully sync through them. Don't you only sync through one layer in the mod? Or am I misremembering? All right, let's take a good look underground. I want to see if we can find any of the boss dungeons. I'd love to find that one with the like cube thing. If that's even in this add-on, I have no idea. Okay, I have found something pretty cool looking here. Whoa. Okay, I'll explore this. In survival mode. Oh my god, wait, what? Oh my god. I was just recording a little intro segment. What the? Okay. Oh my god, I didn't realize anything had even spawned in yet. Oh my god. What is going on? Literally, what is going on? Oh my god, I forgot to get a shield as well. I just realized that. What even? Okay, I guess it's safe to say that the boss fights aren't easy. I'm pretty sure I didn't even see the boss. I think they were just like the side villains. I've got to say, overall, I was coming into this expecting to hate it. I loved the Aether growing up, and I was really upset to hear that it was just a pre-built world. But I mean, if I wasn't already told it was pre-built and specifically went out of my way to verify that by flying to the edge of the world, I don't know if I'd notice. It's 5,000 by 5,000 blocks, which is pretty big. This area all looks super cool. We have a giant here. What kind of loot do you get in here? Pretty okay loot, to be honest. Oh, I tried to throw the dart at them, but I bet I need a dart shooter for that. What am I doing? There we go. How many shots of darts can he take? Oh, I think that was about like 30 or so. Yeah, overall, I've got to say, pretty faithful port. You can't have a conversation about Java mods in Bedrock Edition without looking at Biomes of Plenty. Look, I think this might be the second, or no, maybe even third time that I've covered this add-on on my channel. And yet, every time I just find something new to love about it. Because it's a genuinely faithful recreation. There are plenty of biomes where I don't think I'd be able to tell you which game the screenshot was taken in. I mean, it adds 52 biomes. I have no idea if what I'm about to say is factually correct, but I wouldn't be surprised if this is the most biomes added by any Bedrock add-on. But again, don't quote me on that. I'm just making that up. That being said, I do have one disappointment with this add-on. I think you know where this is going to be going. So far, they've only ported overworld biomes. There is nothing in the other dimensions. And I don't know many Bedrock add-ons that add much to the Nether. The End have a few, to be fair, but yeah, I don't know much about the Nether. I'm pretty sure they said that they're continuing to update this add-on, so I'm sure we'll get more biomes in different dimensions. But yeah, the overworld is like a 9 out of 10 faithful recreation. But the lack of other dimensions so far probably brings it down to a 7 out of 10. Okay, for the last add-on, I was going to check out Tinker's Construct, but I've never actually used that in Java Edition. And then I found out that Feed the Beast have also ported storage drawers. This is meant to be one of the best storage mods in Java Edition, so let's see how the Bedrock Edition holds up. Okay, they've kept the system where there's no UI for them. Whoa, they have added so many drawers. Okay, and we've got skulk drawers here and everything. Jeez. A bee nest drawer? I mean, sure, that actually sounds kind of cool. And you've got all these different upgrades that you can apply to them as well. I mean, all right, let's try some of this stuff out. Oh, I stored it in there by mistake. So I assume I can only store... Oh no, it does let me store past the stack limit. Okay, nice. I don't know why I wasn't expecting that, but I wasn't. And we've got all sorts of different types of drawers ready for us, as well as a compacting drawer. What does this do? Oh, wait, what just happened? What? I feel like... Okay, wait, hang on. I'm not fully understanding what's going on here. Oh no, I get it. I can withdraw them as... Okay, yeah. It auto-crafts them into blocks. That makes sense. That's pretty cool. We've got a netherite drawer controller, which I think right-clicking on this just automatically distributes everything to where it needs to go in a small radius. What's the display unit do? Oh, it's just showing me all of the nearby stuff, and I can withdraw from here rather than going up there for it. And I can link this to that, which means what? I can now use this no matter how far away I am. Really? Is that really how this works? Oh my god, yes it is. And now I've got my diamonds and they're all the way over there. This is awesome. Okay, what's the limit? Let's find out. How many diamonds can I put into here? Okay, a lot already. Let's keep pushing its limits. Let's see what happens. Okay, 1024 is the limit. But can I upgrade that? Can. Oh my god. Let's put all of these in. Oh, that took our entire inventory of diamonds. Oh, no, didn't mean to get these. No, thank you. I mean, how many can this take now? Oh my gosh. All right, we're gonna hit the limit now, right? Nope, somehow not. Come on, we've got to be nearing the limit. What is the limit of this? Okay, we've hit the limit. I think. Wait. No, we haven't. What? We are still going up. Okay. Okay, I'm just gonna repeatedly give myself diamonds. Okay, there we go. And now we're just gonna keep seeing. Oh, I think we've reached the limit. Just ignore all the noises and the text on screen. The limit is 32,768. That is insane. That is more than you would ever need to store of anything ever. Okay, let's get rid of that. Look, I've got to admit, I have never actually used this mod on Java Edition, or at least not much. So I don't know how faithful some of these side things are, like that device where I could withdraw things from miles away. But the shelves themselves are extremely faithful. And this is really, really useful. I can see so many ways to use this that are way better than the vanilla chest system. This is like an easy 9 out of 10 for me. I would use the heck out of this. Let me know if there's any more Java Edition mods that have been ported to Bedrock Edition that you want me to try. All the ones I've tried so far have been pretty good, and a lot of them are better than I expected. Even the Aether one, which I was really thinking I was going to hate. But I'll see you next time, and remember, the future is always bright.